This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for January 3rd. Well, Friday gave us an extremely quiet and low volume day to end the year, with grains closing near their lows of the day. Corn futures are still hugging the weekly uptrend line, which from a technical trading perspective is supportive. Now, Friday saw funds selling an estimated 3,000 corn contracts, and from a fundamental perspective, the only real news that we saw on Friday was that Canada is now expected to import 5 million metric tons of corn this year. That's up from 2 million metric tons last year. At the close, we had the March futures 2 3/4 cents lower, ending the week at $5.93 1/4 per bushel. Soybeans finished the week nearly unchanged. Funds were net buyers of an estimated 3,000 contracts of soybeans during Friday's session. As we head into this week's action, the forecast updates for South America should be the principal driver of price activity. At the close, we had March soybean futures 3/4 cent higher on Friday, as they finished at $13.39 1/4 cents. Wheat was down 4 out of the last 5 days last week as it was under pressure from world export markets. On Friday, Chicago wheat settled right on its 100-day moving average, while Minneapolis made a key reversal lower. In light of that, I would look for the technical traders to try and press prices lower as we get into this week. The Minneapolis March futures were 9.5 cents lower on Friday, closing at $9.82 per bushel. Kansas City was 11 1/4 cents lower, closing at 801 1/2, and Chicago futures dropped by 9 cents as they closed at $7.70 3/4 per bushel. Cotton futures exited 21 on a lower note. At the close, the March futures were 174 points lower, settling at $112.60 per hundredweight. Livestock futures were mixed. At the close, February live cattle were 27.5 cents lower, closing at $139.70 per hundredweight. March feeder cattle were 95 cents better as they settled at $169.95 per hundred, and February lean hog futures dropped by $1.22 to settle at $81.47 per hundredweight. After setting a new life of contract high on Thursday, Friday saw Class 3 milk futures back off a bit as traders headed into the new year. At the close, January futures were 14 points lower, settling at $20.04. And meat cutout values were unchanged simply because the USDA didn't release any reports or updates on Friday. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.